So you may be asking, what is the Expropriation Act? Let's break it down. So the Expropriation Act is the equivalent of eminent domain in the United States of America. We're in property law right now, guys. And what it says is that the government has the right to take land. They have to provide compensation for the public use, right? And in the United States of America, we take it when we want to build buildings, highways, etc. However, in the case of South Africa, because they were victims of apartheid and colonialism, and the white people came in and stole all of their land, and then 70% of those farmers still have their land until today, something kind of needed to be done. However, President Trump is trying to make it seem like, oh, they're just out there stealing land from white people. That's what this new law is all about. And it's not. Every government literally has this power. So let's just take some time to digest that a bit. So the government in South Africa is black. And the people who own the majority of the land in South Africa is white. So this means that the law would be used by black people to take land from white people. The reason why I'm talking about this is that there's something that I want you guys to learn from this. The United States of America tend not to dabble in the business of Africa, right? It's very rare that you would see any news about Africa on the news in the United States of America. However, guys, land equals power. Land equals wealth. Land equals economic freedom and economic justice. The people who hold the land are the people who hold the power. So one of the things that I personally started doing a long time ago, once I realized that land equals wealth, which equals generational wealth, which equals economic freedom, I stopped putting my money in savings account and started buying land throughout Africa. That was my personal decision just because I realized that in my savings account, my money was literally making like three cents a month compared to if I purchased land, for example, in Senegal, the value would increase. And so within the next year, it was like, oh my God, like, okay, the land that I bought for 3,000 was now worth about 5,000, 6,000. So to me, that made the most sense. And so again, to each is their own, but pay attention when people are talking about land and who it benefits, right? And the legal protections that's surrounding it.